Hi guys, welcome to our channel Englishkhona. Today we are going to teach you how to buy a flight ticket. Before getting started, we have to look at some basic words. To travel, to travel, to book, to fly, flight, cost, what date, round trip ticket, one way ticket, fit, arrive, airport, an afternoon flight, schedule. Let's start our dialogue. I would like to book a flight. I can help you with that. Where are you traveling to? I'm traveling to Turkey. One way ticket or round trip ticket? I would prefer one way ticket. What day will you be traveling? I want to fly on July 14th. Do you want to fly out of Dushanbe International Airport or Hujan Airport? I would like to fly out of Dushanbe International Airport. Would you prefer morning or an afternoon flight? I would rather fly in the morning. Could you tell me how much the flight costs? That would be 5,000 somani. I see. Well, I have booked you on a flight that will fit your schedule. The tickets will arrive by mail in a few days. The tickets will arrive by mail in a few days. Oh, thank you. Have a nice day. Dear friend, the dialogue has finished. So, if you want to watch more videos, please keep following our channel. Have a nice day. See you soon.